Class of Mundos. Hello, everybody. It's Mr. B. Today we're going to talk about polygons. And polygons, you may be like, I don't know what a polygon is. Let's start by talking about what exactly a polygon is. Okay? A polygon is a closed, flat figure. In other words, the lines connect. Okay, there can't be a gap here. Also, it has to be flat. Right? We're not talking about three-dimensional shapes. Polygons are two-dimensional. That means they're flat. All right? It has three or more sides. All the lines are straight. And it's got angles or corners. Okay? And we're going to talk about these as angles or corners. I don't really care what you think of them as. Eventually, though, you will have to think about them as angles, and we're going to measure those angles. We may take you a little beyond second and third grade. Second graders, just expect it. We're going to go past second grade, okay? Because you guys can do this. This is just a matter of someone showing you how to do it. All right, so let's go back over. It is a closed figure. In other words, the lines all connect. Hold that thought. Okay, let's say I was to make a polygon here, or I was going to make a shape here, and I got this shape here, and I said, okay, is that a polygon? You know, or I could draw this over to here, and I could come up here like this, and I could say, okay, is that a polygon? No, that is not a polygon because it does not connect. The lines have to be straight lines, and they have to connect. Now, they don't all have to be the same size. Sometimes they are in special cases like a square, right? But they do not have to all be the same size. They do have to connect. So I could make this here, and it might not be perfect, but if I made this triangle here, that is a polygon because they're straight lines and they connect. Those are the two big rules for polygons. So they have to have straight lines that connect, three or more sides, right? It has to be three or more sides, and straight lines. All right, hold that thought. Now, the way that we name polygons is by how many angles they have, or how many sides they have. And you can see, we all know what these are. These are triangles. But let's take a look at the word triangle. Okay? We could break it down into, we could break down the word triangle into two different words, couldn't we? Tri and angle. Actually, I believe this is a root word, angle, and this is a prefix, right? It comes before the root word. And the prefix tri means three. Three angles. Triangle. Like a tricycle bike has three wheels, right? Tri means three. So when you're talking about a triangle, you're talking about three angles. There's one angle, two angles, and three angles right there. Or three sides. You could think of it that way too. Now here's a tricky one. Quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is, there's different kinds of quadrilaterals. Okay? We're going to stop here today. We're going to call a quadrilateral four sides. It has four sides, right? And it has four corners, all right? That's where we're going to stop today. So you can see there's different kinds of quadrilaterals, right? A square is a quadrilateral. A rectangle is a quadrilateral, right? This is a parallelogram, and this is a trapezoid. They're all quadrilaterals. They've got four sides and four corners. And we're going to rip through this information today, and I know some of it may be a little crazy for you. But we're going to rip through this today, and we'll probably get the second half of it on Friday. We'll go over more of these. So we've got triangle, and we've got quadrilateral. We've also got a pentagon. Penta means 5. Penta means 5. So if you've got the Pentagon means a polygon with 5 sides. So if you would count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or they also have 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can think of angles as corners. Now you may look at this one and say, well, that doesn't look like this one. They don't quite look the same, but let's count and see if it's a pentagon. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is still a pentagon. Straight lines, sides that connect, the lines all connect, and there's 5 angles and 5 sides. It is still a pentagon. We'll check out a couple more here today. Let's check out the hexagon today. You can think of, this is the same kind of thing. What's hexa mean? Hex means 6. It's a polygon with 6 sides. Polygon with 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, let's stop there. We've gone over a few things today that some of this might be review. A triangle, 3 sides, 3 angles. A quadrilateral, 4 sides, 4 sides. And there are some special ones, and we'll have to go over those. A pentagon, 5 sides. And a hexagon, 6 sides. Now, I've also sent along this video here, and you guys may remember this from last year, right? You're going to have a little homework assignment to do. And this video will help you do that. Okay? It goes through all the different polygons. And this is one of my favorite videos. I really wish we were together to go through this. But it goes through the quadrilateral, the pentagon. It goes all the way through the decagon. And tells you, 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides. Really what you need to do is memorize these. So I'm going to send along a little homework page. Now what you're going to have included along with your email today is this little worksheet right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to circle, you've got triangle, square, octagon, hexagon. Now we haven't gone through all of these, but you'll need to go through the video and count the sides. So you would count this one, 1, 2, 3. The number of sides, you put the number 3 here. And you would circle that it is a triangle, right? That's what you're going to do. And the answer sheet comes with it. Don't cheat, just do it and then see if you got it right. All right? All right, everybody. We'll continue going over these. I really enjoy doing these shapes. So I will get another video out to you on Friday, and then it'll be time to gobble the gobbler, and then we'll be back for the Christmas season. Everybody take good care of yourselves. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. This is Mr. B saying, see ya.